how to stop people from tagging you. You know, some people, they can tag for Africa, they will tag 99 people at once. So if you want to learn how you can stop people from tagging you, you will be the one to accept that tag to show on your page or your profile. You understand? So I'm going to be teaching you in this video how you can stop people from tagging you anyhow. There are some posts that somebody will even tag you, be like, "Who be this person again?" In this video, I will teach you how you can stop people from tagging you unnecessarily. Guys, are you ready for this tutorial? If you are ready, let's get right into it.
So guys, you are going to click on this your photo here that has three lines. Click on it, then swipe down and click on settings and privacy. Click on it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on settings again. Click on settings and then swipe down, and you see where they wrote profile and tagging. If it's a page, you will see page and tagging. If it's a profile, you will see profile and tagging. So because I'm working with my profile, that's why it's showing like this. So I'll click on it, and then this is where you can do all the settings you need to do. If you don't want people to tag you anyhow, this is where you can do it. So the first one says who can post on your profile. So you click on this place, you wrote friends, and then you can choose. You understand? So if you want to make it to be like nobody should be able to post on your profile except you, nobody should be able to post on your page except you, click on only me. Click on it and it will save. You can see it, only me. So only you can post on your profile. So who can see what others post on your profile? So if you allow other people to post on your profile, who are the people you want to be seeing that particular post? So you click on this place and select the one you want. If it's friends or friends, everyone, specific friends, only me. You click on only me. You can see. So the next one says allow others to share your post to their story. So you can do a post, and then if you want people to share it to their story, you will leave it like this. If you don't want people to share it, you take it back like this. You can see. You can see. So I'll just leave it like this. So let's go to tagging. Who can see posts that you are tagging on your profile? So the reason why you are seeing profile here is because I'm working with my profile right now. I'm not working with my page. So if it's a page, and you will see page here. So who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile? You click on this place and then you click on only me. So when people tag you, it's only you that will even be able to see it. Other people will not see it. Okay, so guys, the next one says when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see? If peradventure you allow people to be able to tag you, who are those people you want them to see your post? So that's what this place is talking about. So you click on friends and then you select, is it friends that you want or only you? You don't want anybody to be seeing it. You click on only me. Do you get? So these are the tweets. Let anyone mention you. You can let anyone mention you in their post and comment when professional mode is turned on. If these settings has been turned off, not everyone will be able to mention you. I hope some of us have been seeing some notification that so and so person mentioned you get. So sometimes when you drop a video and then you want your followers to be able to see that post, you just write at followers and then Facebook will notify all of them. So that is what this place is talking about. So if you don't want people to mention you like that, you just turn it off. So no problem, I'll leave it like that. So the next one is reviewing. Follow me attentively. The next one is reviewing. So the first one says review tag that people add to your post before the tag appears on Facebook. Mine is already turned on. So if someone who you aren't friends with adds a tag to your post, you will still be asked to review it. Remember, when you approve a tag, the person tag and their friends may be able to see your post. So this particular one is saying if somebody tag you to a post, you should be able to review it. If you want to review it, so Facebook will notify you that somebody tagged you in a post. Do you want to approve it so that the post will show that you are being tagged? If you don't want it, just leave it like this. Turn it on. You understand? Turn it on so that you'll be able to review every tag that people tag you. You understand? So review what other people see on your profile. You click on view. So when you click on view, this is where it will take you to. So this is what people see on my profile. You get? So let me just go back. So that is it. So even though you are a new follower, or you just came to visit my profile, this is what you will see. So review, the last one says review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So you see almost the same thing like that first one there. So this only controls what is allowed on your profile. Post you are tagged in still appears in search, news feed, and other places on Facebook. So if somebody tag you and you want to review it before the post appears on your profile or your page, you will turn it off. No, you turn it on. You turn it on. But if you don't want to review it, you just want anybody to tag you anytime you like, you can turn it off. So guys, this is it. I hope I've been able to explain this to the exact way you'll be able to understand. Thank you so much. If you are still watching to this time, you are the real, what do they call those people? MVP. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to share, follow, and like for more. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.